Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform, the first to be founded on the peer-reviewed research and developed through the evidence-based methods. And in this video, I will share a huge news regarding Cardano coin, and very soon, in hardly next 2 days, you will be able to see a huge plunge in the price of the Cardano coin. If you are the holder of the Cardano, you must have to watch this video till the end. Stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
Cardano exists to redistribute the power from unaccountable structures to the margins, individuals, and be an enabling force for the positive change and progress. Cardano have its own blockchain explorer. You can track each and everything. Now the best thing which I am going to share with you in this video, that is a huge news. Basically right now the price of Cardano coin is about $0.15. Here comes the entire website. The best thing about the Cardano team, that right now what they are saying, they are fulfilling that thing in minimum time, so that's why the price is increasing day by day. But the best thing which I am going to share with you is about the blockchain development company behind the Cardano blockchain has recently announced that they have successfully implemented a change to the blockchain, raising its K parameter from 150 to 500. First of all, we are going to look out the chart of the Cardano coin against USDT. Here you can see right now the price is about 0.166 and 0.165, but definitely after 2 days you can see a huge plunge up to minimum 0.28 or 0.30 in maximum next 2 days, because on December 6th the team is going to utilize all the things, and already they planted the whole blockchain from 150 to 500. So that is such a great news for the Cardano holders, because at the time when we all bought the Cardano coin, definitely the price was entirely high in the last bull run. So in this bull run the Cardano is going to hit the market very soon, and you can see a huge price pump in the Cardano. Now talking about the K parameter, what is K parameter all about? The K parameter on the Cardano blockchain is the reward scheme that sets the soft cap on the pool size, assuming the rational participants and no external factors. At equilibrium, the Cardano stakeholders' best response behavior converges to the K pools of equal size. This would ensure the delivery of the same level of the rewards per unit of the stake to the delegates. When Shelley was deployed in Cardano's mainnet earlier the year 2020, the K parameter was set at K150. This K parameter limited the pool size to 210 million ADA Cardano. This number was already increased from the parameter used in the incentivized testnet ITN, which was set at the value of K100. The decision for the slight increase in the value at the time was to ensure that the ITN environment would move smoothly to the mainnet. Since the launch of the Shelley mainnet, there was a rise in interest in the community, which led to a large number of pools. Having observed the trend of the staking pools recently, IOHK, basically that is a team behind the blockchain of the Cardano, decided that the K parameter needed to be adjusted to a higher value. IOHK also noted that the increase in the parameter value requires the pools and the delegators to take action. So right now I will share the link of this blog so you can read all the things if you are the holder of the Cardano coin. Right now it's the time to do my own price prediction about this Cardano coin. It's a long-term project first of all, and secondly, as the chart is telling us at this time, definitely this coin will reach at least $4 in next bull run. But right now in coming weeks, definitely the price will reach up to 0.30 or 0.40 in maximum next 2 to 3 weeks, and in after 2 days you will be able to see a huge plunge, but very soon you will be able to see this coin at least 0.40. And what you think about the price of Cardano coin, kindly mention all the things in the comment section. Comment section is open for you 24/7, and kindly comment over there and tell me what you think about the price of the Cardano coin.